Shane, don't hurt yourself, bro.
Whoa!
Oh.
I did it with my mind
What?
instead.
Oh my God, dude! Oh,
Ladies
wow.
and gentlemen, thanks to Candy Crush Friends Saga, we're gonna be smashing some objects and candy inspired by the game with our own custom-made Lollipop hammer.
Boom!
And we are not very safe, nor are we very smart, so we have a very special science boy, Jacob Awkward, to come help us out today.
Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going?
Good.
It's going great.
Do you have a PhD?
I do not have a PhD.
What a loser.
No!
Jacob, we're not just gonna be smashing stuff in high speed. We're gonna be smashing stuff with a little special ingredient. You want to explain?
Yeah, that's right. Today we're gonna use a little liquid nitrogen. We're gonna submerge all of our candy here. We're gonna freeze it, get it nice and hard, and then we're gonna let you guys hammer it.
All right, Jacob, let's get to smashing.
Let's get it.
Do this.
Who wants to go first? Don't answer,
what?
because I am. Please don't pour it on me.
I will not.
Okay, Dr. Awkward.
Yep, pretty close.
Okay, Dr. Oakwood.
Yep, no, you had the last name. I'm not a doctor. We talked about it with the PhD and all that. So you ready for this?
I guess.
Are you scared a little bit?
I mean, yeah, now that you're telling me that you're not a doctor.
Don't be scared. Safety first, right? So we have to put this liquid nitrogen in a special container. We call this a doer.
Wow! I dare you to put your face in there.
You're strong.
Thanks. Hey, so what's it look like?
It looks like a potion.
Yeah, it kind of looks like potion, right? What color is it?
Gassy.
Yeah, well, okay.
Oh, sorry, white.
You look underneath there, right? You're gonna see that it looks like it's boiling, kind of like
It's
something
like
you would see in the
boiling
kitchen.
water. I
right?
want to put some pasta in there.
Yeah, well, instead of pasta, let's try candy. Sound good?
Yeah.
Do a giant lollipop.
Do a giant lollipop.
do that.
I love these. Wow, there's a bunch of mini ones in here. Do you want me to put it in there?
Yeah.
With the stick too?
Yeah.
Whoa, there's like pressure. It's like it won't, it's like,
Yeah, you can hear it, right? You can hear it starting to boil.
wow.
So what you see here coming off the side, that isn't smoke either. That's condensed water vapor. So
This
basically,
is-
yeah, this stuff here this is exactly what clouds are made out of.
Whoa!
This stuff is so cold that it's actually causing
Oh
the
my
water
God,
molecules
it
to
smells
freeze.
really good.
Actually, totally
It
does.
smells very sweet.
It does. Okay, cool. That should probably be good if you want to go pick a weapon.
I'm gonna use this.
Yeah!
Hey Shane, come here.
No.
Whenever you're ready.
As hard
Ready?
as you can, baby!
Do it. That was awesome.
I did that.
And you get a lolly. That's for you.
Oh, it had babies.
That's for you.
Hell yeah!
I'm gonna do gumballs.
Let's just put the whole thing in there. Yeah. Put it, yeah, right? That sounds good, right? Go ahead. Put it all in there.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Can you hear it all boiling?
Yes. And it's like there's so much pressure coming up. It feels like I'm in a mister. It's beautiful on a hot day. It's
It feels
awesome.
very nice right now, doesn't it?
Yeah. I feel like I'm on the edge of an ice volcano. That's what it feels like.
That's different.
The last time I played baseball, I was in Little League, so I think I'll do a throwback.
Baseball, you're gonna throw it back, retro?
Yeah.
Wow.
Do a nice 29 right here. Oh, I'm a smash.
I'm gonna get
I
out
believe in
of
you,
this
Noah.
way. I'm out of here.
You guys ready?
Go ahead.
3, 2, 1, smash!
Up top, Noah.
Oh, the gumballs are
Great
little
job.
tiny
Check this out, look.
bits.
Oh my goodness.
Can you pick some up?
Yeah.
And hold, show it. Look, they're like broken up.
Look
Yeah,
at
and
this.
they're still very cold, aren't they? Yeah.
Look at that.
Shane, did you see this?
I did. That was nuts.
Can I put one in my mouth?
No, I
no,
wouldn't
no,
do that.
no, no.
You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. It's my turn. And first, I would like to address that these gummy bears look like me on Sunday. That is exactly what I look like. I think for my turn, I'm gonna smash some of these octopi, which are inspired by the candy octopus in the game, Candy Crush Friends Saga. Yeah, I'm gonna destroy a bunch of these. And I'm gonna use that lollipop hammer to do it.
All right, you got it. Orange one.
Yeah, get that blue one.
Blue one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this.
All right. Whenever
Okay.
you are ready,
All right.
give it a go.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna face away. Oh, they're already popping. All right, here we go. And 1, 2, 3.
You got stuff everywhere, so start picking it up, big guy. There you go. All right.
Oh, wait, what? All right, I'm gonna smash one with my hand. Bring me the octopus.
Shane, don't hurt yourself, bro.
Whoa!
I did it with my mind
What?
instead.
Oh my God, dude!
That's how good I am. All right, I'll do one with my hand and not my mind this time.
There you go, Shanye.
Pound it.
Yeah. That's my dog.
Keep walking. Ow! Go, Joyce. That was
Yes.
Alrighty, guys, I guess it's my turn, but before we start, I want to take a bite of this gummy bear.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Are you gonna do it? Are
It's
you
so much candy. Why isn't anybody eating it?
You just bit that ear. That's the grossest thing I've seen
That's
all day.
good.
So what are you thinking? What do you feel?
I'm thinking about this marshmallow lollipop.
All right, check it out.
Okay.
Make sure it's all good.
All good?
Yeah.
Can I lick it first?
Sure, you can lick.
So much candy, man. Oh, man.
Perfect, just like that. That's good.
I should smash a lollipop with a lollipop. So
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one right here. Dang, this is heavy. All right, y'all. I'm a strong man. Whoa.
Oh man, it looks like Dippin' Dots, like some kind of like ice cream.
Yeah.
You want to bite?
I do not want to bite.
You sure?
Should I go for it?
Oh, you should just take some off
Some
your
of
pop.
this? Eat it?
Yeah, just eat up. Just grab a. Oh no, you didn't. Just put that in your mouth.
Is there anything gonna happen to me?
No, you got a little. You got just a little. No, you got it.
Okay,
you got it.
okay,
You got
good.
it.
All right, I'm so ready to smash this Jawbreaker like it's all my haters.
Okay, the Jawbreaker. This is a pretty big Jawbreaker, about the size of a baseball.
Also the size of the brains of my haters. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You see that?
Look at him sizzle.
Yeah.
Like the hatred of my haters.
How many haters do you have?
Like 3 haters.
Wow.
Today, I'm a righty. Yeah! Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. Anybody need an iron dagger?
All right, okay, doctor. Here we have the chocolate dunked cookie from Candy Crush Friends Saga.
Wow, that's amazing. Is this for me?
No.
Really quick, I'd like to address that these gummy bears are me after someone insults me. I'm just like, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, wait. We gotta freeze it.
Wait, Olivia.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Here we go. So as soon as we step away, I want you to give it a smash, okay? Don't let it wait for too long. We're gonna pour this because it'd be obviously a lot harder.
Oh my gosh.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Yeah!
We only have a couple more options left here, right?
Yeah.
So what are you thinking?
I think it's some rock candy.
Perfect.
Eee!
Here you go.
Whoa, there he goes.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, these lollipops are about to lumber crack.
Okay. All
Are
right.
this good?
Whenever you're ready, Court, give it a smash.
These are my 3 haters.
All right, guys, we're on to our final item to smash, the jar of jam, directly from Candy Crush Friends Saga. While the jar of jam is freezing, just want to say real quick, a huge thanks to Candy Crush Friends Saga. It's sweeter than ever. Also, big thanks to Jacob. If you want to follow him, links in the description. Courtney, are you gonna smash it with the lollipop?
Yeah, with the lollipop. Let's do it, boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna run away while you do that.
3, 2, 1. Smash!
Oh, wow.
That was pretty sweet.
Prime job, everybody, today.
Honestly, we're the best.
Can we talk about how Shane smashed something with his mind? Unbelievable.
It's pretty cool.
Thanks for having me today.
Thank you so much.
You all did such a great job. I hope you had fun.
Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Huge thanks again to Candy Crush Friends Saga for sponsoring this video. It's sweeter than ever.